Hi everybody, welcome to the Crafty Corner. I'm Katrina. I'm just bringing to you one of my premium gift baskets, and this is my ultimate spa basket for Mom. So I'm just going to share it with you real quick. I didn't build it on camera, but I am going to tell you about it. Alright, so I started this basket off with the basket, of course, and this is the regular woven basket. And I got this basket at a Dollar General for $3. It was on sale. And then I put chipboard backer there that I lined with this beautiful tissue paper. I got the tissue paper off Amazon some years ago. I've had it for a while. And I actually did one of my table makeovers with this tissue in resin. So if I find that video, I'll post it for you because it's been a long time ago. But it just says, "So for God so loved the world that he gave his only begotten Son, that whosoever believeth in him shall not perish, but have everlasting life." And it says John 3:16. So I wrapped the chipboard with the tissue paper. Alright, to use it as a backer. And then I put in our Bobby Brooks robe, which, you know, regular price on those is $15. I actually got this robe for $1.50. Alright, and then we have some Dove soap here. Move our little loofah so you can see that. Alright, and that is one of the Dove soaps that I got at Bargain Hunt for $2. Our loofah, of course. Can't have all these bath products and no loofah. Alright. These are the wallets I paid $1.50 for at Dollar General. And we have our Winter Vanilla Bodycology in here. Our facial brush. I've included the head wrap that goes with this facial brush. I just attached it to the robe at the top. And then we have our flower bath salts. And this is the lavender scented. And I also have the Dr. Teal's body lotion, which is also lavender scented. And our Bodycology Fill-In Flannel Body Cream. I put the 24 karat gold eye pads on this side, as well as a towel. So this is one of my higher end baskets. And I'm also going to include the Mia Rose perfume in there. I said Mia Rose, but I meant Mia Roma. And this is the perfume from Rainbow. So I just wanted to make sure in this basket that Mom had a variety of items that she could use, that she would like, and that had quality to them. I think this basket has turned out beautifully. And I'm going to wrap this in cellophane and put a big pretty bow on it. So here I have the basket wrapped up now, and I'm going to put a bow on there. And then this is what it looks from behind. I added a little bit of shred to it. Just a little bit. And as you can see the backer there. And then that is the front. So I'll be back with the finished product here in just a minute. And I've added the bow to the top here. So please tell me what you think in the comments. Make sure you like, share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me what you would price this at. This is a big, big basket. I do have a price set in mind for this. I think it turned out beautifully. Be blessed and be a blessing.
Early sun and the biggest sky, green hills